One.
Hi, it's Gwen Davis here with Mind and Body Fitness Connections, and I'm coming today to talk to you about digestive health and some exercises that you can do to help digestive function. We're going to be specifically talking about the zone exercises, which are outlined in Paul Chek's book, How to Eat, Move, and Be Healthy. And there are 6 different zones, and today we're just going to focus on zone 3, which, like I said, focuses on digestion. The reason this is important is the body, whenever you're doing these exercises, you're breathing in oxygen, and that oxygen is carried to the lungs, and then that oxygen-rich blood is taken through the body, generating power which goes to various systems and cells of the body. So that oxygen-rich blood is being delivered. And when you do that at a breathing rate, like the zone exercises are done, rather than like normal exercises are performed where you would increase heart rate, increase breathing rate, that's going to also generate some fatigue and ultimately deplete oxygen, which is why it's considered anaerobic exercise whenever you weight train and do exercises, because you're anaerobic, you're removing the oxygen. But today with the zone exercises, what we're going to be focusing on is doing them at a slow rate, a breathing pace, so that we're taking in that oxygen, delivering it to the cells, and we're actually increasing energy rather than depleting energy. So today, as I mentioned, we're going to be focusing on the zone 3 exercises, which help with digestion and assimilation. So the first one we're going to start with, I'm going to demonstrate 2, and the first one is going to be the Swiss ball crunch. So you're going to sit down on your your Swiss ball, and you're going to walk it out to the low back so that your low back is supported. Then you can do 2 different hand positions. You can go more advanced would be here, or you can go across the chest, which would be here. And then you want to do this in really 2 separate fashions. So you're going to curl the neck and then curl the trunk. And you want to do this without talking. So I'm going to walk you through it. I'm going to talk you through it first, and then I'll demonstrate. So when you swallow, the tongue goes to the roof of your mouth, and that's the position you want to hold. So you're going to curl the neck and then curl the trunk, and as you go down, you'll uncurl the trunk and then uncurl the neck. Looks like this. So your breathing on that is you're going to inhale as you go back and you're expanding the rib cage, and then you're going to exhale as you come forward and you're collapsing the rib cage. Okay, so again, breathing right there, nice and slow, and you want to do about 20 of those. The second exercise I'm going to demonstrate is a wood chop, and again, you're going at a breathing rate. We're going to do about 21 repetitions. Arms come overhead, interlace the fingers, and you want to go with a wide stance down in the middle, rounding the spine, then coming up, and then you'll go to the right and to the left. And then you just go back through the middle, and right and left. And your breathing on this one is inhale as you come up and expand the rib cage, exhale as you come down and you're collapsing the rib cage. These exercises are designed to work the middle or the upper abdominals and middle back area. Again, that helps emphasize digestion and assimilation. It's been great talking to you today about the zone exercises. I'll bring more of the zone exercises to you in future videos. You can find me under Mind and Body Fitness Connections on YouTube or here on Facebook. And you can also look at my website, mindandbodyfitness.net. Have a great day.